Hi YouTube and viewers. If you face controller not found issues for Laravel 8 installation and probably you are migrating from a lower version of Laravel like Laravel 7 or 6 or 5, this is the solution that I found in internet, and thanks to this person, Michael Oravec. I hope I spell his name correct. You have to go to app providers route service provider.php, and then you have to add protected namespace app http controllers, and also you can check in the same file if this namespace is available. That is all the fix, and hope you would like this video. Please subscribe to my video for more informative contents. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. That's my website www.penangwebdeveloper.com, and my WhatsApp number +6019 3766 779.